A breezier, sunnier version of Melbourne's often gritty, street art-laden hideaways, Hardware Lane has been a popular spot for nighttime revelers and foodies for years. Pull up a chair and dine al fresco in the summer months, or find somewhere cozy inside during the wintertime. Hardware Lane is one of Melbourne's most loved restaurant and cafe streets and is located between Little Lonsdale and Burke Streets in the heart of the Melbourne CBD. Serving a combination of modern Australian, Mexican, Thai, Italian, and Greek, you will also find trendy bars, cafes, and cake shops located along here. The buildings on this lane reflect Melbourne's interesting history, as many of the buildings are warehouses that are more than a century old. The best dining spots are enjoyed al fresco under the stars during the summer months, with the restaurants also being a cozy retreat during the cold winter nights. Enjoy a cold Australian beer at the eclectic rooftop bar, or simply enjoy a live outdoor jazz performance over the weekend. If you love seafood, Hardware Lane is a place to be. Enjoy a delicious pudding and wrap up your day with the best cocktails in Melbourne. Hardware Lane has a number of cafes that open for an early morning coffee or breakfast on the run and stays open late for those looking to enjoy an after-dinner drink. Bring a group of friends and dine in the outdoors in this famous Melbourne location. You can get to Hardware Lane via any tram that runs along Lonsdale or Elizabeth Street. It is a short walk between these two major thoroughfares and is located close to Burke Street Mall. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.